All right, what are we opening?
You really filming me?
Yeah, I got it filming.
The new Loungefly Muse
Well,
mini backpack.
Mala is not amused. Look at her. That's really packaged well.
Yeah.
It's in a box, which is a plus. Where did you get it from?
This I got from Under The Sea Collectibles.
All right. I like that it's in the box, and then it's in the, like, it's got the paper, but then it's in the cellophane, and then it has paper around it. That's like quadruple wrapped, kind of, which is nice.
This shouldn't be the only thing in here. It possibly is. We'll have to investigate a little bit. Alright, ready?
You're ready. Nice. That looks really good.
I do see a little
Oh, like a pull?
pull right there.
Yes, I see that.
So it's got the Muse, Hercules, and the Hydra.
I like the mask that this one has. So that's tragedy, right? Where's is there a comedy on it somewhere? It'd be nice if there was. It'd be cool. Nice. I like the accents. Nice. Oh, cool. Okay, 0 to hero.
I like the straps.
I like the straps.
Yeah. And these straps kind of feel,
Thick.
yeah.
Yeah, like they're
kind
not.
of feel a little cushiony.
Yeah, they're not gonna bother
They're a
you
lot
too much, like if you're bringing in the
softer.
parks.
Yeah, a lot softer than the other bags that I have.
Okay. Do you think that will fit in it?
I think that it will.
Okay. What is the other thing? I can't remember what it's called. Like
Um,
a organizer, kind of.
Yeah, just a little, and this is felt, so it's really lightweight, but it's just a little organizer for the mini backpacks.
Okay. For Mother's Day,
Yes.
from the baby. I think there's a baby sock in the corner right there. That baby loves to take his socks off.
All right, let's see.
What is? Yeah, I was gonna say, what's that? Just
just a little
okay.
fuzz.
Just a little fuzz. All right, packed with paper, obviously, to keep it shape. Very good.
Let's see if you can see the inside lining.
Will this be one that you might bring to the parks with you?
I don't know if I will, and I don't really, I mean, I wouldn't really want to bring it because it rains so suddenly.
Right.
And I wouldn't want to get it wet.
Okay.
But let's see, what's the inside? Oh, well, you can see.
Yeah, we can see that. That's nice.
And I do see there's a zipper on the inside.
Secret pocket. Oh, I see. Yep. Very good.
Let's see, do we have any foam?
Right.
Let's see. Ooh.
Mala's still looking at the Loungefly.
Solid back, same color as the outside, but the front has the lining.
All right, very nice. Mala, do not think of chewing this.
All right, now give me just 1 second here. Let me see the invoice, because I was also supposed to be getting the wallet.
Okay.
So unless the wallet shipped separate, here, let's figure it out. All right, this looks like it should have been in here. It says one of one, wallet, mini backpack.
All right, well, I have to get a hold of them.
Yep, I'm only seeing my backpack.
All right. All right, but where are you on the bag? You like the bag?
Yes. Yes.
All right, so very, very nice on the bag.
Yeah.
All right, I hope everybody liked it.
Smooth, yeah.
So got a good look at it.
I have to compare it to some of the other ones that I have. I feel like this one looks like it's a little bit... I mean, they're probably all about the same size. Could just be design. But I feel like it looks a little wider.
Yeah. All right, very nice. All right, so maybe an upcoming video, maybe we can take a look at some of the other bags.
Yeah.
How about the right along the edge there? Do you see some?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
Yep, I see it.
Yeah.
All right.
But something that a lot of people do, and I didn't do it this time, and maybe I should have, but a lot of people will buy two of the same bag and then resell the one that they don't like as much.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll let kind of everybody know where it stands when we get a hold of the companies, see about the wallet, and then maybe we'll take a look at some of the bags to compare. So very cool. I like it.